sun shining down, so desperate to brown. But skin cancer isn't so hot, no it's not. So if you take a run or work in the sun, should you sizzle like a sausage? Most certainly not. Be especially careful about small kiddies. Just say these simple words: slip, slop, slap. It sounds like a breeze when you say it like that. Slip, slop, slap. In the sun this summer, say slip, slop, slap. Slop, slap. Slip on a shirt, slop on sunscreen and slap on a hat. Slip, slop, slap. You can stop skin cancer, say slip, slop, slap.